Yo, what's up guys? It's AB Funk back with another video. My name is Andre and today we'll be unboxing one NASCAR diecast. This is the Kimi Raikkonen ONX car here. I got this car from Cracker Barrel, as you see the box. So pretty cool that I was able to find a few cars from this wave there, and this is the only car that I didn't have from the wave, so I completed this wave. And yeah, this was the only car that I needed to finish this wave. So let's get a closer look. Glad I was able to find some diecasts at Cracker Barrel. So here's the car closer up. Pretty cool. The rookie stripes on the back. Very cool. And then the top of the car, number 91. So yeah, very cool paint scheme. Project 91. So yeah, very cool car. This was the Kimi Raikkonen. This car was from 2023. So yeah, very cool paint scheme, very cool car. And hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the Kimi Raikkonen diecast. If you did, please like and subscribe, and peace out.